Homophone and Homonym Heroes, winning at word games. Hello, language learners and wordsmiths. Today, we're diving deep into the world of homophones and homonyms, using games and challenges to cement these tricky words in our memory. These strategies are not only fun, but they can also dramatically improve your writing and speaking skills. Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings, like to, and to. On the other hand, homonyms are words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings, such as bear, the animal, and bear, to carry. Knowing the difference between these words can be the key to enhancing your language proficiency. Our first game is the word pairs memory game. For this game, create pairs of cards with homophones or homonyms written on them. Mix the cards and lay them face down. Your task is to find the matching pairs, flipping 2 cards at a time. Make sure to say the words out loud and use them in sentences. This helps reinforce their meanings and correct usage. Our next game is Homophone and Homonym Pictionary. In this game, choose a word and draw it out without speaking. Others have to guess the word. But there's a twist. After someone guesses the word, they need to give its homophone or homonym and use it in a sentence. This game encourages visual learning, understanding of meanings, and proper sentence construction. Our final game is the Word Race Challenge. In this activity, 2 players compete against each other. One person reads a sentence with a homophone or homonym missing, and the other person has to fill in the gap correctly as quickly as possible. This challenge improves comprehension speed and also allows you to understand the usage of homophones and homonyms in context. And there you have it. 3 fun and educational games to strengthen your grasp of homophones and homonyms. We hope you enjoy these activities and find them helpful. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. So, keep playing and keep learning. Until next time, be the homophone and homonym hero in your language journey.